housekeeping, we use different types of containers, carts, trolleys as carriage of small piece of equipment, cleaning chemicals, linen, trashes and other supplies. We talk about different types of container in the last video. You can check the I button above and link is also available in the description below. Using a trolley eliminates the time wasted on collecting and assembling cleaning supplies and equipment at work location and then moving them from one work location to another. So in this video, we will cover the various types of carts and trolleys used in housekeeping department. Maid's Cart. This is one of the most important housekeeping equipment that is used by guest room attendant, and that's why also called room attendant's cart. In housekeeping, female guest room attendants who cleans bedroom and bathrooms are also called chambermaid. So this cart is also known as Chambermaid's cart or trolley. Maid's cart is used to stock all guest room supplies including linen and small equipment that a room attendant might need while cleaning a guest room. One side it has linen bag which is used for soiled linen collected from guest rooms, and other side garbage bag is attached. Although nowadays we might find metal or plastic maid carts, but still many hoteliers prefer using wooden maid cart with fixed wheel at one end and caster wheels at the other, so it's easy to maneuver. If you want me to make a detailed video on placement of guest room supplies in maid cart, comment down below. Janitor's Trolley. This trolley is mostly used in public areas by houseman or public area attendant. In housekeeping, houseman is the person who is responsible for public area cleaning. It has some compartments for storing cleaning supplies and small cleaning equipment and a place for detachable trash bag. Except public area cleaning, it's also very useful in spring or deep cleaning. Mop Wringer Trolley. Mop Wringer Trolley is used in conjunction with wet mop. In designing, it has two compartments. On the side of one compartment, we can notice a mounted wringer. This is used to wring the mop. This is where dirty water is also stored, and in the other compartment, we take clean water. For carrying water and moving it along, we have caster wheels. Linen Trolley. As the name suggests, it is used to transfer linen from laundry to linen room, from linen room to floor pantries of housekeeping and so on. You may find it in different shapes and sizes and usually made up of aluminium or steel. Laundry Sack. This is also one more similar trolley called laundry sack. Here sack means a large bag that is made up of strong material such as thick paper or plastic for storing and carrying goods. So laundry sack means a sack that is used for laundry. Only laundry sack is not a cart or trolley. It is used in combination with a moving cart where laundry sack is used with strings. We can untie these strings and take out the laundry sack from this cart. It can be replaced and washed. For care and cleaning, all carts and trolleys should be wiped and kept clean on daily basis and stored in a dry, well-ventilated areas when not in use. You may do thorough cleaning once in a week and do the oiling of wheels at the same time for maintaining the smoothness. In the end, for storage, don't create the storage area of carts and trolleys into a general dumping ground when not in use.